All right, this is just a short video on how to read and use Vernier Calipers. This tool is called a caliper, and it can measure the size of something that fits inside of the opening jaw. So if we open it up like this, the scale here and reading it will tell us how big this opening space is here. So you start by putting the calipers around the object you want to measure, and then you have to know how to read the scale. So this lower scale that we'll be using today is marked in centimeters. So there's a 1 there and a 2 there. The 3 is obscured right now, and there's a 4 here. But the pointer that you use to read off of this scale is actually this tick mark right here, the first one on the moving part of the scale. So this is not yet at 1. It's actually just before the 0.5. So this is 1 centimeter, and this is reading right now a little less than 0.5 centimeters. But we can actually do one digit better because of the Vernier scale. The way that works is there are 10 tick marks here in the space of 9 tick marks on the upper scale. And so there's always going to be a best match between the lower and the upper scale. And what you're looking for is the lines that are the most lined up. And so if you follow and look at the lower scale here and compare the position of these tick marks to the ones above them, when you get to about right here, it looks like this one is lined up the best with the one up above it. So here's the 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like the 8 is lined up, and so you've got to round down since we're adding another digit. So this reading would be 0.48 centimeters. So just a little bit less than half a centimeter. Do one other quick example reading. Just for some practice, let's put it maybe right here. And so now our primary reading tick mark is just past the 2, so we know we're going to get 2 point something. And it's also past the 0.2, so we know we're going to get 2.2 something. And then that something you find by, again, lining up the lower digits with the lower tick marks with the upper ones. And here, looking for that alignment, looks like it's probably maybe right here on the 4 or the 5. Probably either one of these would be acceptable. So then the total reading would be 2.24 centimeters.